Yo, what's up, my people? Okay, I'm back here with another video from Rae Kay, and yeah, you're probably trying to figure out why I got this big ass machine in front of me. Well, you're gonna find out soon. We're gonna make a t-shirt from scratch. Yeah. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can see more of it. But we're gonna do a whole lot of random things here. Yeah. Please keep in mind, this is my first time using this thing. I don't know how it's gonna come out, so yeah, you guys are gonna have a look and see. Let's go.
So I'm not gonna lie, this machine, setting it up on a hole was extremely difficult. We had to get a bobbin, we had to get a spool of cotton, and yeah, just threading it was insane, man. I mean, practicing with it was crazy, but we got it right. So I got this pattern from Tiana's store or whatever it's called. Can't get the name, but I'll link it in the description for you guys to check out. So yeah, after cutting the material, we actually used cotton knit for it, and once it was done, yeah, we lined it up, got everything cut, and we were ready to go. So setting up the machine, holding the fabric and pushing it through to feed into the machine was quite difficult at first, but you know, we tried to get those stitches right. Yeah, the camera actually died, so I had to do some of the parts off camera, and yeah, it actually came out quite good. Some parts of the t-shirt weren't, you know, lined up properly, and that's my fault. I know that you have to iron some of the seams, but you know, I didn't get all of the seams ironed. I tried some, but yeah, we got it okay. So yeah, this is the result. It's not actually perfect, you know, but for first try, I thought let's share this with you guys so you can have a look and see what we did.
And there you have it, people. That is just like what we had to do. We got a t-shirt, not the perfect, but I guess we tried, eh? Practice makes perfect. So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe again to our channel and check out more of what we got for you guys coming soon. Yeah, peace.